Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a button in HTML. All you have to do is just write button tag. And now what you have to do is just you can write what you want to see above your button. I'm going to write this is a button. And as you can see, the button is created. Now what I'm going to do is you can even change the color of your button. You can write style equals to inverted commas background color. I'm going to choose red, and as you can see it is turned to red. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy a link of an image, so this will be the page or the picture the user will see when he will click the button. All you have to write is a 2 times, and you have to write href equals to, and you have to paste your link. As you can see, you have to just copy image link and paste it in between. Now if I run it and click the button, it will show me this picture. So that's how you create a button in HTML. Please like and subscribe.